Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I love all things chicken soup, and this Progresso light chicken soup is a nice tasty option. This is a chicken and dumpling soup, and this is a light version, so this has 160 calories per can, but it does have 11 grams of protein, which is nice. So this is just a nice light meal option, something that you can keep on hand, and it's also great when you're not feeling well to have something like this ready to go. I really love the flavor of this soup. It has such a nice broth and it's really rich, and I really appreciate that the vegetables and things in this soup are a nice big size. They're not chopped up super fine, so you can really taste everything. So all you need to do is heat up the soup. There's no water added. It is ready to eat as it is, and it's super tasty. So this has chicken, carrots, celery, it's got the little dumplings, and just a tasty bowl of soup. So if you're looking to stock your pantry with some quick, easy meal ideas that are comforting and tasty, then I would recommend this Progresso soup, and that's my point of view.